Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to see a video in which I will be developing small Android application using Android Studio. It is absolutely for beginners who want to do programming in Android. So let us go through the program. First of all, create new project. These are the activities for your application. You can select any of these activities. For newcomers, we will select empty activity. Then click next. Then name. Give your name to your application. Remember that name should not be entered in capital letters. Name should be entered in small letters. Now here you can change the package name. You can change the package name. Now select, this is the location where your program will be saved. Then select the language Java. I will be selecting the language Java. You can select any other language. Now minimum SDK required for your application, it is Lollipop. You can select any other application. Now if I select KitKat, it might be that the application, the versions below KitKat will not be able to run this program. Okay. Now click next. We have chosen KitKat. Now I will try a project get completely built. Wait for project get completely built. Okay. It is loading. It is showing that it is loading. Please wait for some time. Wait for some time. Yes, now it is built. Now you can see the folder name Java. Yes, in that subfolder you can see the folder Java. In that you are having a package name example program com.example.program. Now you will be using the package name that you have given earlier. Now click on package, and if you want to add Java class, you can add. Java file has been there. Now after that, go to the resource folder. Here there are different folders. Now we will keeping all your images in this folder, drawable folder, resources. Now add changes now add the changes. You can add images. Here drawable. Now I want to add image in drawable folder. I will select the image. give the name. Remember that image should be saved in background.xml, not v24. Now after that, file name should not contain capital letter. We have seen. Now you can see the file is added. Yes, this file is added in the drawable folder. Now you can add image to the palette. For that, here you can palette. Now you can add the image to palette using image viewer. Here is our image. Image has been added. Now go to the attributes. Now go to the attributes, then in that width match parent, and height 300 dp. Okay. Now you can see the image is little bit adjusted. Now image is properly sized. After that you have to go to the same constraint layout. Remember that there are a lot of layout in Android, but now we are seeing only layout. Then here you are using constraint layout. In constraint layout we have to specify constraint. Simply click here. I will click, then now automatically set. Now image view is properly placed. Yes. Now if you want to change the hello world text view, I want to change it to first app. Now after that you will see the XML code. Text text size 20 dp. Now I want to change the text style to bold. Text bold. Now you can see that text changes to bold. Now if you want to run the application, go to the AVD manager. Now create virtual device. Now queue Now select next, click next. Now I will give name to the 3, then portrait, and that's all. Now close the AVD manager and now run the app. Program is executing. Wait for some time, since it is emulator, it will wait for some time. Yes, this is the program we have created, first program, that is the image Sachin Tendulkar, and this is the Android application. So thank you very much.